Have you ever asked, what is my IP address? In this video, we'll explain what an IP address is, how to find your public and local addresses, and the difference between IPv4 and IPv6 numbers. Networks need addresses. Devices use IP addresses to talk to each other. Think of an IP address like a home address for your computer. You have two IP addresses, a public IP that websites see, and a local IP that your home router sees. Public IP is used by the outside world, while local IP is for devices within your home or office network. To find your public IP, open a web browser and search for "What is my IP?" Dedicated websites will show your IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. Your local IP lives in your device settings. The steps to find it vary depending on your operating system. For Windows, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, and click your connected network. Scroll down to Properties to see your IPv4 address. Alternatively, in Windows, open Command Prompt, type ipconfig, and press Enter. The screen will display your IPv4 address. On a Mac, click the Apple menu, open System Settings, select Network, and click Details. Your IP address is listed in the TCP/IP tab. For iPhone, go to Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and then tap the eye icon next to your network. The IPv4 address section will be displayed. On Android, go to Settings, tap Connections or Network, and tap the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi. The network details will show your IP address. To review, you check web browsers for public IPs and device settings for local IPs. This chart summarizes the path for various operating systems.